subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi cadets, today's video FCVC means Fieldcraft and Battlecraft. It is very important for NCC both B and C examinations as well as practical examination also. Let's start our topic. Fieldcraft. The basic military skill required to operate in the field such as stealth, camouflage and observation. Fieldcraft is especially important for the effectiveness and survival of infantry soldiers, snipers, special forces, and sabotage teams. Come under the fieldcraft. Five terms are included. First one, description of ground. It is divided three categories like foreground, middle ground, and background. Find which ground in enemy are located is called description of ground. Second one, observation and concealment. It is anything that hides an individual, his position, unit or equipment from enemy observation. It may be natural or artificial. Remember that concealment is not protection from enemy fire. Judging distance has to estimate the distance to the target. This is to ensure that the section firepower will effective. Description targets. Three steps are involved the target. First, find. A target is first identified and location. Second one, fix. The target is when keep under the condition of surveillance to ensure it hasn't moved. Finally, destroy. A force is assigned to a capture or kill the target is called destroy. These three all are included in the description of targets. Moving with and without arms. It consists of series of movements by which individually moved in an orderly uniform manner from one formation to another or one place to another carrying a weapon and without weapon. Battlecraft. It is a skill in warfield, the technique of military combat and in the procedure of living under battle conditions. But the basic knowledge of field signals, section formation and platoon formation is essential in battlecraft. Coming to battlecraft. Five terms are included. First one, field signals. It means of communication that required can be used to transmit pre-arranged messages rapidly over shortest distances. Field signals are given by two ways, by hand or by whistle. Second one, section formation. It is a group of force for battle depending on their designation, tactical and technical capabilities and weaponry. Units of all size utilize their battle formations to accomplish the combat missions. Fire control orders. A fire control order is given so that the soldier can recognize the target and fire it efficiently. It is important that the cadet knows how to reach and react to the fire control order sequence. Fire and movements is the basic of unit tactic used to maneuver on the battlefield in the presence of the enemy, especially when under fire. It involves heavy use of all available cover and highly coordinated exchanges of rapid movement by some elements of the squad or platoon, while other elements cover this movement with suspension fire. It is used both to advance or enemy positions as part of an attack or withdrawal from current positions under attack by the enemy is called fire and movements. Section battle drill. An infantry battle drill. Squads apply fire and maneuver to commonly encountered situations. They require leader to make decisions rapidly and to issue brief oral orders quickly. The reduction of military tactics are bare the essentials which are to a platoon or a team drill with clear explanation regarding the object to be achieved, the principles involved and the individual task of each member of the team. Types of grounds. Ground warfare is the process of military operation in combat that takes place predominantly on the battleground of the planet. We discuss about different types of grounds. Come under the grounds. First one, broken ground.
It is uneven and is generally intercepted with malicious bushes and field in the ground. It is suitable for move of infantry and clear observation of enemy activities. Second one, flat and open ground. The terrain which is mostly felt and free of observation, such as trees and buildings. Example include farmland, grassland, and specially cleared areas such as an airport. High ground. Ground for above the general level of the hills area. It can be useful in combat. It allow to you fire on them at a better angle. Include over cover. High ground also makes it easier to observe your opponent's movements. Dead ground. An area within the maximum range of a weapon, radar, or observer, which cannot be covered by fire or observation from a particular position because of obstacles. The nature of the ground or the character of the trajectory or the limitations of the pointing capabilities of a weapon is called dead ground. Description of ground. Ground is divided into categories such as the foreground, middle ground, and background. In a composition are generally divided into three planes. The foreground of a composition is the visual plane that appears closest to the viewer, while the background is in the plane in a composition far from the viewer. The middle ground is the visual plane located between both the foreground and background. The scale of these components often correlates to the image. The foreground is often the must due to the larger scale of the image objects. This is not always the case, however, as defined as factor can shift the composition of the ground. In briefly, foreground is 300 meters far from the observer, coming to middle ground 500 meters from the observer, and finally background 500 meters above from the observer. This is called description of ground.
A fire control order is given so that the soldier can recognize the target and fire it efficiently. It is important that the cadet knows how to react and the fire control order sequence. A fire control order is given the definition sequence. The mnemonic GRIT will help in remembering. GRIT means group range indication type of fire. Now I explain one by one. Group. The group of a section which is addressed that the LMG group or the whole section. An order starting with number 1 section indicates that the whole number of number 1. Section will fire LMG group or rifle group. Means the group named only will fire. Second one, range. This indicate the distance at the target. To ensure accuracy of the fire and to concentrate attention on a limited area of ground. Third one, indication. This indicates that which direction to look and what to look for. The point of aim by its description. Finally, type of fire. This indicates what type of fire is required. Deliberate, rapid fire or burst fire. These all are fire control order sequence. Coming to sequence of targets. GRAD means group range aid description. Now explain one by one. First one, group. This indicates it is being addressed like section, troop, fire team. Names like Charlie or Delta. Number 2, rifleman and etc. Second one, range. Which distance for the enemy are located is called range. Aid, which is used to assist a country or its people in these defense efforts. Many countries received military aid to help with counter-insurgency efforts. Military aid can be given to a rebellion to help fight another country, known as aid. Finally, description. It indicates an object person, or place that is deliberately chosen to be an attacked. These all are sequence of targets. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. You get more updates, and if you really like my videos, ping me a like and support me. Thank you.